And with Taiwan's semiconductor manufacturing company set to invest $100 billion into the United States, President Trump says this will create thousands of jobs in domestic chip production in the U.S., all while reducing the U.S.'s reliance on Asia-made chips. NTD's Washington correspondent Jack Bradley has more.
The most powerful AI chips in the world will be made right here in America.
President Trump saying Taiwan's semiconductor company TSMC's $100 billion investment in the U.S. is a boost to national security.
This is a tremendous move by the most powerful company in the world. It's a matter of economic security. It's also a matter of national security for us.
TSMC is the world's largest producer of semiconductor chips. Semiconductors are used to make everything from smartphones to AI to missiles and tanks. And they're now one of the largest drivers of economies and military power. Now, this $100 billion investment is making more chip factories in Arizona. And TSMC has already invested $65 billion to this effort previously. Now, one reason to incentivize building in the U.S. is to avoid tariffs. But another is that the U.S. is trying to find alternatives to China's rare earth minerals. These rare earths are needed to make chips, and China has most of these minerals, about 90%. And the Chinese Communist Party has long been a threat to Taiwan's sovereignty. China's military has been more aggressive in the waters around Taiwan, whether it's conducting military exercises near Taiwan, ramming Philippine Coast Guard vessels, or most recently, China allegedly cutting an undersea cable belonging to Taiwan. And when asked on Tuesday about a potential Chinese invasion of Taiwan, Trump said,
"This would certainly, I can't say minimize, that would be a catastrophic event, obviously, but it will at least give us a position where we have, in this very, very important business, we would have a very big part of it in the United States. So it would have a big impact if something should happen with Taiwan."
Restrictions on China's semiconductor manufacturing goes back to the Biden administration. Now, last year, the U.S. restricted the sale of semiconductor making equipment to China. That's as Chinese buyers may now be circumventing these export controls. Recent reports found NVIDIA chips could be making their way to China. Additionally, the U.S. State Department earlier this month removed a line from its website that said that the U.S. does not support Taiwan's independence, showing a change in tone about the U.S. Taiwan relationship. Jack Bradley, NTD News.